So what is a ticker? So it is a short form to name a company or index. So I listed a couple examples. NVIDIA is NVDA and Amazon is AMZN. So you'll often hear financial news use the term ticker. That should shed some light on what they mean. So in the olden days, that I'm calling anyway, roughly from the 1870s to the 1970s, they used ticker tape machines. And this is what those machines look like. So they would physically type the letters, kind of like a typewriter basically, and the current price would be printed out, and it's all being transmitted by Morse code across telegraph wires throughout the country. So this is the basic information that people would use to buy or sell orders to purchase or dump shares of stock. So this is what tickers look like today. So as you can see, everything's digital. So we still use the short form of generally 3 or 4 letter designations to each company, like we shown up above, the NVDA and AMZN. And it'll show its current price, as you can see in the graphics, and it goes up and down in a matter of milliseconds during the open market. So what you see is the process of people buying and selling. So the more shares that are purchased, generally the prices will go up. And then the more shares that are sold, obviously the opposite, the prices go down. And throughout the day, you can see the prices will move based on sometimes good or bad news. Other times the price might move without any real particular reason at all, and it's simply due to the whims of people.